The first of the two speedster networks that we're going to cover, 4G, is blazingly fast. It offers an incredible platform to use for a variety of applications and is currently the fastest network available commercially today. If your deployment is happening in 2019 and you have speed as your main factor, this is where you need to look. So, how fast is it? Just watch all the kids downloading YouTube videos on the bus to see that it's sufficient to replace a high-speed connection for most applications. It is great at video, such as video conferencing, as it has a fairly low level of latency, one that is much better than 3G. As it is the network that carries a push for their smartphones for the past few years, there has been a lot of work to be done to make sure it works well while mobile. Its speeds in a mobile environment, as well as its stability, is very impressive. 4G's performance is one of the reasons why you need to reach for your power cord on your iPhone or Android device more often, as its performance comes at a cost of using more power. Many IoT applications are more power conscious, making 4G a bad choice. The other main issue with 4G is cost. If you're putting a 4G module into a $1,000 smartphone, the cost of the module is not prohibitive. However, if you're building a tracking device, its cost premium over other technologies was not justified, especially since you didn't benefit from the extra speed. In terms of applications, public safety agencies loved 4G. It offered sufficient speed to allow workers to download documents like mugshots and blueprints while being able to fall back to 3G in rural areas. Mobile retail is a widespread application. It may mean moving outside into the parking lot. It may mean the store having seasonal offerings in an area like a nursery. It could be a food truck, or it could be temporary retail at a trade show. In any case, 4G offered more than enough speed for transactions, inventory lookup, and more. Transit and trains usage of 4G saw explosive growth over the last few years. The available speed offered enough bandwidth to track buses, process payments, as well as to offer Wi-Fi to passengers as a way to attract more people to ride the bus. Finally, disaster recovery applications need speed, but just as importantly, they need quick setup. They have been big users of cellular-based technology. 4G offered enough bandwidth to run an entire command center while falling back to older technologies in more rural areas. In short, 4G is the current speed leader, and until the next generation makes its long-anticipated debut, it has a very long life ahead of it, and is a great choice for those looking for a lot of speed. If you truly feel the need to go supersonic, however, check out the next choice.